In this video, I will be showing you how to upload a file to Chatgpt. Let's get started. I'll open my browser and go up to the address bar. I will type in chatgpt.com to pull up the homepage. Once the page loads, I will move my cursor directly to the main input box in the center of the screen. I will click on the plus icon on the left side of the input field to open the options menu. From this menu, I will select the Add Photos and Files option. This will launch my computer's File Explorer window. From the folder view, I will click on the Downloads category on the left side menu to find my file. I will then click on the sample_productivity_guide PDF file to select it, and then click on the Open button at the bottom right of the File Explorer window. The document is now attached directly to the input field, showing its name and format status clearly. Now, I will click on the Ask Anything text area below the uploaded file to enter a detailed prompt. I will type a structured request asking Chatgpt to analyze the uploaded PDF file and create a professional summary. I will include a detailed list of points that I want covered, specifying sections like the main topic of the document, a concise summary of each section, the 5 most important takeaways, 3 actionable recommendations based on the content, and a short conclusion. I will finish the prompt by specifying that the results should be presented using clear headings and bullet points while keeping the information easy to read. Once the complete prompt text is ready, I will move my cursor to the bottom right and click on the black arrow button to send the prompt. Chatgpt will start processing the analysis request immediately. We can see a Reading Documents text notification appear on screen while it processes the data. Shortly after, Chatgpt will begin generating the requested professional summary. The screen automatically updates, scrolling downward as it displays the sections one by one. It starts by listing the main topic, confirming that the document is a sample productivity guide. Then, it moves down to the section summaries, pulling information directly from the introduction and the 5 simple productivity tips outlined in the text. That is how easy it is to upload files for analysis. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.